Hi there, today we're in Maitland. Maitland's a regional country town in New South Wales, Australia. It's about 3.5 hours drive north of Sydney. We're starting at East Maitland Courthouse, which is directly behind me. We'll make our way through town to the Maitland Courthouse. In between, there should be some interesting things to see, so let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. East Maitland Courthouse was constructed back in 1896. The building also housed the police station until the 1980s. Maitland Jail is directly across the road from the courthouse, not far to go for those found guilty and sentenced to a term of imprisonment. Les Darcy was a boxer from the Maitland area that went on to become the middleweight champion of the world. His record was 56 matches, 52 wins, 32 of those by knockout. He passed away at the age of 21 back in 1917. Maitland's Information Centre has all the information you need to know about what to see and do in the Maitland area. There's also a great coffee shop attached. Caroline Chisholm, who later went on to be canonised, carried out humanitarian work with migrant women in and around the Maitland area. Maitland Park is a great place to come for a day out. There are many things to see and do for all members of the family. There's a swimming pool and many different sporting fields. There's also memorials to respected local individuals and for those who have lost their lives in war. The Millennium Sundial was constructed back in 2001. Here's an interesting piece of art. Close your eyes and you can imagine a brass band or a string quartet playing up in the rotunda. Here's a memorial to Richard Young, the Mayor of West Maitland, who passed away back in 1893. An impressive memorial to those local soldiers who gave their lives during the First World War. This memorial is for the local soldiers who gave their lives during the Boer War that was fought between 1899 and 1902. This memorial shows the path where the Sandakan death marches in Borneo, where nearly 2,500 Australian and Allied prisoners of war lost their lives during World War II. Apart from the swimming pool, there are many different sporting fields in Maitland Park. There's football, there's hockey, there's croquet, and as you can see, the cricket pitch has been prepared for a weekend match. Maitland's proximity to the coalfields means trains like this one with 100 carriages full of coal make their way through town on their way to Newcastle Harbour. The next stop is the Maitland Regional Art Gallery. The gallery has a number of different exhibit spaces and is worth a visit. I've placed a link for the gallery down in the description. Click on the link to see what's showing at the time of your planned visit. The name given to this sculpture is the Points of Positive Surety. Here's another of the outdoor sculptures. This one's called Fetch Boy. Better him than me. The Maitland Repertory Theatre has made a home for itself with this old church down in High Street. This beautiful old building houses the Maitland Council Chambers and the Town Hall. This old church is the Maitland Uniting Church. This old sandstone building is the St Mary's Anglican Church that was built around 1860. Another old building, the Maitland Post Office, built around 1881. This section of High Street is known as a levee. There's a large variety of shops and restaurants with many outdoor eating areas. It's not unusual to see a busker or two playing along here. A view of the Hunter River from the levee. Community events are held here throughout the year. The fountain outside the Maitland Library is considered one of the icons of the town. about to the end of our walk. We've reached Maitland Courthouse. It was constructed back in 1897 and is still in use today. We'll take the riverside walk to get down by the river and get away from some of this street noise. This is where we're finishing our walk, down by the Hunter River. Today's walk's been very interesting, a lot of history. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.